Welcome to Buy Me a Coffee. First and foremost, creating an account here is free. So go to lashondabrown.com/buymeacoffee to create your free account. I'll be making more content about how to get the most out of this site on my YouTube channel, Bootstrap Biz Advice. So get ready for passive income through community support. On my page, you have 3 things you can do, and occasionally I add an additional way to support the channel. Number 1, you can buy me a coffee. One coffee is $5, and you can choose 1, 3, 5, or type in your own number. Most people also leave a message of encouragement when they donate, and it has really been a blessing to me. So if you decide to buy me a coffee, please share how my content helped you in your business journey. Number 2, become a star student. I host at least one workshop every month over on StreamYard for $10. If you find yourself signing up for multiple workshops, I would encourage you to become a star student. You'll get immediate access to all of my past workshops. Plus, every time I host a new workshop, I'll just send you a ticket so you don't have to worry about keeping up with my online shop for new events. Number 3, join the Bootstrap Creators. This is a new offer, and it's specifically designed for folks who want ongoing YouTube support from me. Based on all my brand partnerships, I needed to restructure my YouTube coaching offers, and I think that this is going to be a great fit. I'm currently limiting it to 25 members to refine the workflow, and I'm reducing the price to $25 a month for those 25 founding members. After I hit 25, the price will increase to $50 a month. You'll receive access to monthly content planning parties, ongoing asynchronous support through a voice note app called Async, an Airtable YouTube content planner, and of course, accountability from me and the Bootstrap creator community. I'm also throwing in a private podcast to keep you up to date on YouTube changes because it's really hard to keep up sometimes. To be honest, I've already had some amazing creators who joined the membership, so even if you have your channel planned all out, the collaboration and networking opportunities alone is worth the price of the membership, but that's just my biased opinion. Finally, extras. There is a feature on Buy Me a Coffee that allows you to sell extras to your supporters. I think I'll use that in 2024 as a place to sell templates that you have asked me for. Buy Me a Coffee is a great platform for building community and generating passive income. If you want to recommend my Buy Me a Coffee page, feel free to send people to lashondabrown.com/coffee. Until next time, ta-ta for now.